Shalom and welcome back to Hebrew with Ben. In this lesson, we will be talking about Chataf Kamatz. The Nikud sign looks like a kamatz with a shva on its right side. Similar to kamatz katan, Chataf Kamatz also indicates the vowel O. Chataf Kamatz is the third and last form of Kamatz Nikud we will be learning. Before we continue, let's summarize the Kamatz forms with the vowels they indicate. The first Nikud sign we learned was Kamatz Gadol. It indicates the sound of A. Then we saw Kamatz Katan, which is identical in shape but indicates a different vowel. Lastly, Chataf Kamatz, the sign we will be learning today. Let's continue with letter examples. On the screen you can see the letter Aleph. When adding Chataf Kamatz, we get the sound O. The letter Shin, decorated with Chataf Kamatz, creates the sound Sho. Look at the word on the screen. The word is Tziporim. Tziporim. The letter P is decorated with Chataf Kamatz, creating the syllable Po. The next word should be familiar to you from the Kamatz Katan lesson. Let's analyze the Nikud. You should recognize three signs by now. The first letter is Tzadi and is decorated with Kamatz Katan, creating the sound Tzo. We saw the word Tzohoraim in the Kamatz Katan lesson. If you remember, I mentioned that you learn to know when the Kamatz is a Kamatz Katan with experience and also by advanced Nikud rules. If you saw the Kamatz Katan lesson, you should recognize the word on the screen. In addition, according to the Hebrew Nikud rules, the Kamatz on the letter Tzadi is Kamatz Katan because it precedes a Chataf Kamatz. Opinions are divided over this issue. Some say that Kamatz Katan should indicate the vowel A before Chataf Kamatz. Technically, both pronunciations are acceptable. In any case, we are going to stick with the sound O for this course. Let's continue. Next we have Chataf Kamatz on the letter He. As I just said, it will add the sound of O to the letter, creating the syllable Ho. Lastly, we have the letter Resh with the Nikud Patach that sounds like Ra. The word is Tzohoraim. Tzohoraim. The last syllable in the word is Yim. Let's look at another word. Take a moment and try to identify the signs we have already learned. First, we have the letter Chet with Chataf Kamatz, creating the syllable Cho. Then, we have the letter Mem with the Nikud Kamatz Gadol, creating the sound Ma. The word is Chomarim. Chomarim. To conclude, Chataf Kamatz creates the sound of O, just like Kamatz Katan. That is all for today. Next, I will show you the Cholam Nikud sign. Thank you for watching. See you next lesson.